called Mount Margaret. Ooh, look at that view, guys. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, it's cold in here. Pretty. Ha? Yung lake. Happy birthday, guys. It's so beautiful in here. Not too hot. Perfect weather. Yeah.